Hi, today we have this stroller fan, that's what they call it. It's the PaPaFboy stroller fan. You can use it to recharge your cell phones or lights, what have you. It puts out quite an amount of air. You can hear, well, you can't hear the motor. It's pretty quiet. The fan's making more noise than the motor. It has three settings: low, medium, and high. It's on high right now. You can see there's a USB-C on the right and a regular USB charger output. You press the power to do your charging, and there's low, medium, and high. This is movable, and you can adjust these legs just about anywhere you want. Hope that helps. Have a good day.
Yo toco y no hay que hacer fuerza. Mi dedo no es el de un niño de 6-7 meses, que es para lo que lo quiero. Por eso no el carrito. O sea, no sé por qué lo ponen. O sea, hola, es que no, de verdad. Creo que no es para nada apto para, como lo dicen, ¿no? Para cunitas y bebé. Porque es que llega un punto en el que ellos meten las manos en todos lados, ¿sabes? De hecho, hay que tener cuidado. Es que no, mira, te lo aseguro.
Okay, this fan is great. It holds on well to her stroller. It holds on well to, sometimes I'll put it on the back of the seat, so that way she can have some extra air back there, and it holds well. It has 3 speeds. I mean, the first speed feels amazing. The second speed's great. The third speed obviously is gonna be the best. The third speed is gonna be the loudest, but not very loud at all still.
Right here is a moose section. They said they get all their moose sourced from Alaska. You got all kinds of stuff. Big paddles, small paddles. They have a section of caribou, a section of axis deer, which this has probably got to be the biggest base on an axis deer I've ever seen.
Great fan, feels cool. There are different modes on the back, low, high, and medium. Only thing I wish it had was a light, but otherwise it's great.